welcome back to my lane, or welcome if you're new here. Today I am bringing you something a little different, so still in the fashion realm, but I am showing you contact lenses that were sent to me by Dtleye, and I have 4 different colors to show you. I just wanted to start off by showing you the packaging. So this is the box that the lenses come in. It says 2-piece yearly disposable, so 1 for each eye. And then it comes in this little package here. So here, and then you get this box with the lenses. And then you also get a lens holder, and the little tweezers are in there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what comes in each package. I have not worn contact lenses, oh gosh, probably 20 years. So hopefully I don't struggle putting these in, but we'll see. So I chose 4 colors. One is it's called Egypt Brown, so it's a light brown color. And then the other one is gray. And then I got 2 fun ones. So even though Halloween is over, it'll give you an idea for next year. And my neighbor's dog is barking. Hopefully you can't hear that, but if you can, I'm sorry. But the 2 fun ones that I picked up, one is a cat eye and one is totally white out. So creepy, scary, yeah. So let's get into this. So here are the first ones. And this one is Egypt Brown. So it has like a nice, I don't know, almost hazel look to it. And it wasn't too bad getting them in. I guess I did remember something from 20 years ago. Barely, but yeah. I struggled a little with the first one, but by the second one, I knew what I was doing. So not too bad. And they're very comfortable. I don't feel like I have something in my eye. And I forgot to mention before, but these are all non-prescription. So yeah, this is these. Okay, so this is the next one. To me, this one looks creepy on me. So this is another Halloweenish color, but this one I thought was going to be gray. At least to me it looked like that on the site. The color is called Hidrocor. Yeah, Hidrocor. And it is a true blue color, as you can see. Not gray at all like I thought it was. But it's a very vibrant blue, so a pretty blue. But for me and my skin tone, I think this is more so a Halloween type look that I would go for, not an everyday look like the brown or hazel color looked. The Egyptian brown, Egypt brown, I don't know, but that's the actual name, Egypt Brown, but this one is called Hidrocor. So there you have that one. Okay, so now we have these, and these are the white out. And as you see, they're extremely creepy. Like I creep myself out looking in the mirror with these on. And these are They're kind of, I wouldn't say hard to see through. No, I would. They're kind of hard to see through. So it kind of makes everything look a little blurry a little bit. So these are truly like Halloween pictures type, you know, thing, but not for driving around anywhere, or if you're like at a party, you need to see. So these are the ones that you would take pictures in maybe. I mean, if you feel comfortable, you're with the right people at a party, then sure. But it just kind of, I don't know, kind of blurs things a little for your vision. So they're really creepy though, and I love them. So last but not least, I have the cat eye whites in. And these are, I think these, between these and the brown ones, they're my favorite. Now the only thing with this, as you can see, it won't stay straight. I think it's probably, okay, there we go. So I think it's probably because my eyes are watering, because this is my 4th pair of putting in and out of my eyes, so they're getting a little irritated. But the actual contacts themselves are very comfortable. They're not irritating at all. It's just me putting my finger in and out of my eye. And like I said before, I'm very out of practice because it's been 20 years since I've worn contacts. So you see it's still moving. But disregard my personal eye because it's all over the place right now. It's very irritated and watery. But these are so cute. And they have these, the cat eye ones in white, and I know yellow. I think it's some other colors as well. I can't remember for sure, but I know that they come in a couple, or a few, I should say, different, I don't know, color shades. So look at this. This is ridiculous, but it's just because my eye is constantly watering. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the contact lenses. And if you would like to order your own, which I know you will because they're so cool. And just to mention, mine were non-prescription. They do have prescription lenses as well. So if you wear prescriptions, you can definitely order from this site. So all the colored lenses come in prescription as well as non-prescription. The Halloween scary ones, like the whiteout ones I showed you, as well as the cat eyes, those only come in non-prescription. So just want to throw that in so you would know. But I have a coupon code as well to share with you. And the coupon code is Remilane. So I'm going to put the website in the description box below, as well as a link to each individual color that I got so that you know the exact one. And also I'll put that coupon code in the description as well, so you can get yours. So thank you for coming along on my lane of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all the fun videos that I post, all the fashion, the hauls, like now, the contact lenses. And I also throw a little bit of holiday crafting in there as well. So I love crafting. So around the holidays, you'll get some of that as well. But I will see you next time. Bye, Remy's Beauties.